Welcome again to Morning Movement with Karin. We are going to get started. Hi. So come to standing if you're not standing already. We're going to stand with our feet hip width apart. We're going to start with our breathing. So let's just inhale, take the arms up, stretch the hands, stretch the fingers. Exhale, bring them down. And again, inhale, take them up, stretch the arms, stretch the fingers. Exhale, take them down. One more time. Inhale, take them up. And exhale, take them down. And let's just take them up again, but keep them parallel this time. Bring the left hand down to your side. Reach the right arm up. Inhale, exhale, side bend to your left. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, side bend to your right. And just let's keep going a little bit with this. Inhaling up, exhaling, side bend, nice and gentle. Inhaling straight up. Exhale, side bend. Inhale, straight up. And just let your arms float down. Just float the arms down. And let's roll the shoulders back. Inhale, shoulders up, back and down. Inhale, up, back and down. Good. Keep going. Inhale, up, back, down, up, back, down. Let's change direction. Going forward. Shoulders up, forward and down, up, forward and down. Up, forward and down. Last time, up, forward and down. Good. Let's stretch out the hands in front of us now. Just stretch out the hands, stretch out the fingers. Make a fist with the hands. Stretch out the fingers. So make a fist, stretch the fingers. Just warming up the hands. Make a fist, stretch the fingers. One more. Make a fist, stretch the fingers, and play the piano. So just move the fingers, play the piano. Remember to move the thumbs. Good. Don't forget our thumbs. That's where we often get arthritis, in our thumbs. All right, so we're gonna rotate the hands now. Rotate the hands. Rotate the hands in one direction. Good morning. Rotate the hands in the other direction. So just circle the hands around, warming up the wrists. Beautiful. All right, and rest. You can shake the arms out. All right, take them out to the side now. Turn the palms up. And we're just gonna touch the shoulders and take it out. So moving up to the elbows. Touch the shoulders, take it out. Touch the shoulders and out. In and out. Now we're gonna go in, up, in, out. Touch the shoulders, take the arms up, touch the shoulders and out. One more, shoulders, up, shoulders, out. Good, just let the hands come down. Bring the hands to the hips. You can open your feet a little wider now. We're gonna move in down to the hips and the torso. So we're just gonna make circles. Making circles with the hips. So just rotating around in one direction. You can start small with a nice small circle, and then you can make it bigger. See how the hips are feeling. Let's do one more. And then next time you come forward, change direction. So go the other way. Just rotating the hips around. You can bend the knees a little bit too. Again, it's what feels good to you. Just rotating the hips around. One more. Good. All right, come back to center. You can bring the feet a little closer together. And we're just gonna step side to side. So stepping side to side, warming up the feet, warming up the legs a little bit. Again, you can start with little steps, and then you can make the steps a little bigger. Stretching the legs. So you can stay with this, or you can add the legs with a little knee circle. So we're just picking up the legs, circling the knees out. Again, Just moving the knees as high as you want, opening up the hips. A lot of us have tight hips. This is actually really nice for the hips. Hips don't get as much movement as they need oftentimes. Let's do one more on each side. All right, and just come back to center, shake it out. Beautiful. All right, let's move on to our sun salutations. So coming to the top of the mat, coming to our mountain pose. So feet are hip width apart and parallel, engaging the core. Nice long spine, pressing into the floor with the feet. Inhale the arms all the way up. Exhale, hinging from the waist. Just bring your hands down onto your shins. So staying in this flat back, stretching out the back of the legs. Bend the knees. Inhale, coming right back up. Reach the arms up. Exhale down. Again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, hinging from the waist. Bring the hands to the shins, long spine. Take a breath here. Bend the knees, coming back up. Arms down, around, and up. Exhale, hands back down. Good. One more time, just like this. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hinging from the waist, hands onto the shins, long spine. Bend the knees, coming back up. Reach the arms down, around, up. Exhale, back down. Good. Moving on. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, all the way down now. So we're going to plant the hands on the floor and just step back into a tabletop position. So just take your time, coming onto the floor, hands right underneath your shoulders, spread the fingers, knees right underneath the hips, press down into the floor, engage your cores. Inhale, drop the belly, arching up, take the chest forward. Exhale, rounding the spine, dropping the head, if that's safe for your body. So as always, modify for yourself. Inhale, arching up. Exhale, pressing the floor away. Let's do two more. Inhale, arching up. Exhale, down. One more. Inhale, arching up. Exhale, rounding. Let's come back to neutral spine. Let's stretch out one leg behind us. Stretch out the other leg behind us, coming into plank pose. So you can be here, or you can bring the knees onto the floor, any variation of plank. You can also be on your forearms. We're gonna hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the knees. Come all the way down now, slowly bending the elbows. Come all the way down onto the belly. Stretch the legs out behind you. Keep the elbows into the body. Hands right under the shoulders. Press the pelvis down into cobras. Inhale, lifting head, neck, and shoulders. Exhale down any amount. Take time with your back. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, coming down. Nice and slow. Let's do two more. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, coming down. Now let's slide the elbows forward. So the elbows are right under the shoulders. Press into the forearms and just lift the chest in Sphinx pose. So we're in Sphinx. It's a little bit of a resting pose where you're still active, you're still pressing into the pelvis, the head is looking down, the chest is moving forward. Just staying here for a breath. Nice gentle back bend. And then slowly lower the whole torso down. Bring the hands back under the shoulders. Press back up to your tabletop position. And we're just going to sit back on the heels and stretch the legs out in front of us. So So just take the legs out in front, stretch them out into Dandasana. So engaging the core, legs are all the way together. If you can, flex the feet, bring the hands, just rest the hands down by your side. So we're engaging our core here. Inhale, reach the arms up. So long spine, pull the bellies in, and we're hinging forward from the waist, any amount. Bring the hands to the legs anywhere, so it can be on the calves, the ankles, the toes, wherever you can reach. But see if you can keep the spine pretty straight. You can also bend the knees a little bit if it's too much to keep them straight. We're just staying in this forward fold, stretching out the legs. Let's stay for 5 breaths. So just inhale and exhale. Nice deep breaths. Again, just be mindful of how you're feeling at all times. If it hurts, back off. Don't do it. Yoga is for you, not the other way around. One more breath. Good. And then slowly take your time. Walk yourself back up. Good. And let's move into our spinal twist. So we're going to bend the right knee and just bring the right foot either on the outside of the left leg or on the inside of the leg. So it doesn't really matter, wherever you're comfortable. Sit up tall, take the left arm, wrap it around or hold on to your right knee, right arm out in front of you. Bring it onto the floor behind you. Inhale, get nice and tall, flex that front foot, and just gently exhale, turning to the right. So we're doing a little twist to the right, hugging that right knee into the body. Take your time here. Let's stay for 2 more breaths. Just nice, slow breaths. Relaxing the shoulders. And then slowly unwind, come back around to center. Uncross the legs, stretch out the right leg, shake it out if you need to. And we'll do the other leg. So we're bending the left knee. Bring the foot on the outside of the right leg or on the inside. You can be here. Wrap the right arm around as much as you can, or just hold on to the knee. That's fine too. Extend the right leg. Bring the left arm onto the floor behind you. Inhale, get tall. So we're lengthening the spine before we twist. We're getting tall. Exhale, gently twist to the left. Looking over the shoulder, or maybe just looking in that direction. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Let's stay for 3 more breaths. Twists are really great for the spine. But as always, just be mindful of how it's feeling. 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. And then take your time, slowly unwind, uncross the legs, shake it out. And then we'll come to a cross-legged position. You can sit up on something if you have a cushion or a blanket, as I'm going to sit up on my blanket. You can cross the ankles and just sit up nice and tall, resting your hands on your thighs. And let's just close our eyes. Start to slow down our breathing. So just breathe in and out through the nose. Just relaxing everything, but nice tall spine, relaxing the face, the shoulders. So just slowing down our breathing. Deep breathing has lots of therapeutic benefits for us. Breathing into the belly. Deep breathing helps to calm down our whole nervous system, can help to slow down our heart rate, helps to reduce blood pressure sometimes. So lots of benefits for deep breathing. So just continue to breathe deeply in and out of the nose for another minute or so. Just nice, slow breaths. Bringing to mind now your intention for today or your affirmation for today. What is it that you would like to remind yourself of in this moment? So my affirmation this week is I am a glorious child of God. All is well in my world. So feel free to just bring your own affirmation or intention to mind, repeating it to yourself. And then bringing the hands together in front of the heart, just bowing your head. Thanking yourself for taking care of yourself this morning and doing some morning movement. Grateful for this time together, for the practice, and grateful for all the things in our life we have to be grateful for. We end with Namaste, the divine in me honors the divine in you. So thank you, ladies, for doing morning movement with me. I'm excited to see you, and I'm here tomorrow, same time, same place, and then next week I'll put up a new link to register for classes next week. You can always find the links to register on my website, Karinyogalife.com/classes. So every Sunday I put up a new link for the whole week. All right, have a great day, and I'll hopefully see you again soon. Bye.